This is a direct relationship to the test that we're having, correct? So let's just look at this for a second. We have 5 cups and then 3 nails. Now, there are nails in each cup, and these are left over, correct? We want to write an equation for these cups and 2 nails. That's what we're doing, correct? Now, if the independent variable is C for cups and the dependent variable is N for nails, we came up with that equation. 5C plus 3, because there are definitely 3 nails. There are unknown number of nails in the cups, but there are definitely 3 nails here, correct? That's how we have the plus 3. Yes? These are variables. They can vary. That's the independent variable. That's the dependent variable. The solution is the dependent variable. That's dependent upon C. What's in C? How many nails are actually in each cup? Correct? The function is 5C plus 3. That's our little function. We put in x, we turn the function, and then we get the y, the output. Correct? So we could call this the input, and we can call this the output. I for input, O for output. I for independent, D for dependent. Correct? 5x plus 2. Remember, those are that's the function, that's the equation. Remember, what we're looking at here is to try to become familiar with a language that if you don't work well with the language, you'll find the more complex the mathematics becomes, the less successful you'll be unless you know the language. Correct? It's just vocabulary, really, isn't it? Okay, you know what a function is. Something has a function, correct? What's a function? What's the function of a watch? To do what?
Tell time.
To tell time. It has a function. This has a function. It's a machine. The watch is a machine. Correct? Yes? Okay. If it's going to be in terms of x and y, what's going to be the function? What's going to be the function if it's the input is x and the output is y? The independent and dependent. What's the function going to be? Yes?
5x plus 3.
5x plus 3. What's the equation going to be? Y equals 5x plus 3. Correct? Yes? Okay. So let's do one more. Let's say J and K. What's going to be the function? Yes, Nikrit. 5J plus 3. And what's the equation? K equals 5J plus 3. Now here's some more language for you. Let's say the function is written in terms of R. What does that mean? The function is written, or the equation is written in terms of R. Let's say the function is written, because that's going to lead me to something else. The function is written in terms of R. In other words, I use R instead of C, P, X, or J. That's all. I'm writing it in terms of R. What does it mean? I'm writing something in terms of R. So what would the function be in terms of R? Rinda? Go ahead, you can do it. You're saying it to yourself. I can see it.
The independent variable is R.
That's right, so do it.
R.
No.
5R.
That's it, girl.
Plus 3.
That's it. Good. Well done. Easy? The letter, the number first and then the letter, right? coefficient variable. Yes? You get it? Some of you didn't do that yesterday in the investigation. You have to put number variable, not variable number. Clear? Okay. So this is the function. So the way you write an equation is always going to be like this. F of x equals 5x plus 2. This means the function in terms of x equals 5x plus 2. What does that mean? That means the function, what I would write on the right side, is going to be written in terms of x. You see that? So you write f of x equals 5x plus 2. So write on this column, write in function notation. What do you write? What's the first one? Anybody? What's the first letter of the word function? F. So it's f of what? No. Look guys, isn't the function here written in terms of c? So the function in terms of c equals 5c plus 3. What about this next one? F of what?
P.
F of p equals what?
5 plus 3.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Kind of silly almost, isn't it? So easy, isn't it? Have you ever seen math so easy? All we're doing is language of math. 99% of my students who struggle in higher maths is because they just don't understand the verbiage, the words, the vocabulary, the language of the mathematics. Clear? Okay. What's this next one?
F of x equals 5x plus 3.
And what about the next one? Good? You get it? Easy? Are you okay with that? Okay? Yes? All right, we'll turn this off. We'll make another one. All right? We're just going to keep going until 9:30, okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so let's turn this off right now.